In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage tasks effectively using Jira. Whether you're a project manager, a team lead, or just someone dabbling in project management tools for the first time, you'll find these instructions quite handy. First off, let's talk about Jira. This is a powerful tool used by thousands around the globe to help teams plan, track, and manage agile software development projects. A central workspace like Jira can significantly enhance your productivity, keeping all your projects organized in one place. To start managing your projects, open your preferred web browser and head over to Jira. If you haven't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Jira dashboard, which is your gateway to all your projects and tasks. From here, locate the Projects tab on the top menu bar. Clicking on Projects will present you with a list of all the projects you are involved in. If this is your first time, the options might seem overwhelming, but don't worry, it'll become a familiar sight soon enough. Select the specific project you want to work on from the list. This step is crucial as it directs you to the particular set of tasks, issues, and settings that are relevant only to that project. It's similar to choosing a folder on your computer before viewing or modifying files. Within your chosen project, you'll see a variety of tasks laid out, usually along with details such as their current status, assignee, due dates, and more. Now, if there's a task you need to remove for any reason, maybe it's a duplicate or simply no longer relevant, you can easily do this. Locate the task you wish to delete. Next to it, there should be a checkbox. Click the checkbox to select the task. With the task checked, you'll notice options along the taskbar, which now includes Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. It's a simple process, but remember, whenever you delete a task, it's usually permanent, so make sure it's the right decision. This method helps keep your project clean and organized, ensuring that only relevant tasks are cluttering up your view and your team's to-do list. After completing all necessary adjustments and deletions, you should see your project looking more streamlined and efficient, reflecting only the tasks that need current attention. With practice, navigating through Jira will become second nature. And that's essentially it. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your project tasks in Jira, ensuring that your workspace is always up to date and optimized for your current needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.